Hello learners, today we will see levels of teaching under teaching aptitude and it's an important topic. This is a pyramid. It starts with memory level, then comes the understanding, then comes the reflective. It goes in the higher order from memory to reflective. So memory level is the lowest level of teaching, and cramming and rote learning, these will be asked in the examination. These are the key terms. Teacher plays a primary role. For example, when you learn a 2 table or a 3 table when you are in your primary classes, you mug up, right? You cram, right? That is under the memory level example. Again, the author name is really important. So John F. Herbert. The next one is the understanding level. Understanding meaning is basically comprehending, right? So the relationship between the principles and the fact. This one is an important key term which will be asked again in the examination. For example, I can give you this analysis and synthesis. What is that? You are breaking the whole term into some of its part and then understanding the meaning of a particular concept. So it comes under the understanding level. So it's a more thoughtful level again. And Morrison is the proponent. It's important to learn the author's name again. For example, assertions and reasoning statements. There are, like, you study logical reasoning in your exam, right? In paper 1, what would be the assertion and reasoning? For example, statement 1 I will give you: today the clouds look very gloomy and the weather looks dark. Statement 2, usually when the weather is dark, you get rains. So the conclusion will be, since the weather is gloomy today, there is going to be rain. So that will fall under the example of understanding level, the relationship between the principles and the facts. So the next level is the reflective level, is the highest level in the teaching, and the learner plays a pivotal role. Problem solving skills and inquiry into the way of solving the problems, these are the key points under this reflective level of teaching. Hunt is the proponent again here. And examples, observation, case studies, application of theories practically. For example, if you are going to study robotics, how does robotics get applied in artificial intelligence? It's one such example under reflective level, where whatever you are learning, you are trying to solve it and apply it in the real life practical scenario. And one more thing you need to remember is, in exam, if they ask what is the first level of teaching, your answer should not be memory level. The first level is the autonomous development level, where the cognitive development happens naturally on its own. But this autonomous level is viewed in a negative aspect because the teacher has no involvement in the autonomous level. There is nobody to guide you. And the author here is Morris L. Biggie again. And this autonomous development level he introduced in the year 1976. So these are the levels of teaching, and it is important to study for the exam. Thank you.